Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, 25th of March. Today, let's go over our London session trade. And before we get into it, everything shared on these channels for educational informational purposes only. Myself and the Blueprint don't provide any financial advice, investment advice, or any trading recommendations of any kind. All trading involves significant risk. You could lose more than you invest. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading investments or decisions. So let's get straight into it. So today I became liquidity. It happens, right? So let me run you over my idea for the trade. I can explain to you exactly where I went wrong too. So basically, coming into the day, why is this tab not being recorded? I think this tab's being recorded. So basically, my idea coming into the day, I actually was not too bad for shorts, simply because we had a 15-minute and we had a 30-minute reacting over here. Asia lows was very imminent and nothing was really pointing up either at the moment. Yes, we are still in this big gap after the Orange Man's announcement, but we weren't really reacting too well off it. So I was like, all right, cool. We might be going short. But then I saw that we had super good momentum coming into Asia highs. Now, another thing. I got absolutely, where's Asia highs? Asia highs is around here. We got absolutely no retracement into Asia highs whatsoever. So I was like, okay. Oh, no retracement, no pullback coming into, yeah, I just said that. No retracement coming into Asia highs. So I couldn't have re-entered here or anything. I was looking at the 30-second, I was looking at the 15-second, but I was like, I'm not going to break my rules just to get into a trade. And then what did I wait for? I waited for I saw a breaker structure above. I always need to see at least two breaks above either a session high or a session low, just to confirm that we are going in that given direction. That's what I did. My first break was here. My second break was here. And then I entered on the retest of this order block. Why is this so slow? So I entered on the retest of this order block. As you can see, I'll go to the 15 seconds so it makes it a little bit clearer. So we broke structure here, and then we came down, tested the order block. I got entered in around here. As you can see, became instant liquidity, came back down. So my first issue was there was 3 and 5 minute liquidity below, which I didn't protect. My stop was too tight. Honestly, if I just protected the candle low of the 3 minute and potentially even the 5 minute, I could be okay. This trade, I think I'd still probably get stopped out if I'm being honest, but I could have been potentially okay if I had protected just a little bit later. And my targets were New York highs, because I was like, look, we're this high in the leg, and we broke above Asia highs. The chance that we're going to continue to New York highs is more than likely. So that was my kind of trade idea for the day. Now, looking back, we are kind of rejecting. Okay, we're absolutely. So really, it was off a break. And I wouldn't want to see just risk this gap and pick off it. But if I followed most KDT, was in a better that day, I would choose